We can easily say that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. This is why you should consume garlic every day. As we said, you can use this powerful ingredient to prevent and treat many different health problems, such as against liver problems and diseases, prevent and treat baldness, to cleanse your arteries and purify the blood, relieve the symptoms of the cold and the flu. It's extremely helpful with other respiratory problems, etc. Did you know that the Egyptians chewed raw garlic for its powerful antibiotic and medicinal properties while they were constructing the pyramids? The most powerful compound found in garlic is allicin. You can increase its powers when you crush the garlic, but you will destroy it if you cook it. This is why you should crush it, leave it for 15 minutes and then eat it. You can add some vegetable oil and parsley to eliminate the strong odor. Why put garlic under your pillow? You've probably heard that some people put garlic under their pillow before they go to sleep to improve their sleep, right? Other people put garlic in their pockets for a good luck. And many people around the world rub their pans and pots with this vegetable to eliminate the negativity from those spirits that might have contaminated the food. This is why you should try this simple method. Just put a garlic clove in your pocket or under your pillow. It will help you sleep much better and help you eliminate all negative energy around you.